Alright y'all, welcome back to Hobbit Footed Grillin. This afternoon we're making some hot dogs for dinner. So there's going to be Carolina style dogs. We have some Carolina bright leaf hot dogs. And we have some Munster cheese, some coleslaw, and some fries that I cut up. And we're going to grill some onions as well. So I'm going to start off with the fries, let them start crisping up. So I'll throw some oil on here. A lot of oil this time. Want these fries to be nice and crispy. Put the fries on. While those fries crisp up, I'm also going to put some butter down and get the onions grilling. So we'll do that. Well, those cook, we're going to put our red hots on. So these are our Bright Leaf brand red hot hot dogs. Next up is going to be to brown our buns a little bit. Add some more butter on. Now they didn't have gluten-free hot dog buns at the store and I didn't have time to make any. So mine is going to be a hot dog hamburger or a hot dog burger. Now we're going to set this last dish here. Now the way some ways will work is each one is going to get 2 of these hot dogs. Put them in. Actually, one of these hot dogs will cover each one. So each one's going to get a hot dog. Now each hot dog is going to get some cheese on it. Some coleslaw. It's going to go on next. Some onion goes on each one. So we'll grab our onion, put it on each hot dog. And then my burger dog is going to get the same treatment. It's going to get Alright y'all, thanks for joining me this afternoon at Hobbit Footed Grillin for these Carolina hot dogs made on the Blackstone. If you enjoy what we're doing, please like and subscribe, and you'll see more videos like this. Until next time, happy grilling, and I'm going to go inside and eat this with my family. Bye.